Hello everyone, today is World Earth Day 2025. Know about history, theme, significance, all you need to know about the need to protect the planet. Earth Day, the annual global event celebrated on April 22nd every year. This annual Earth Day features doodle, stunning aerial photos of the planet Earth as you can see on the Google homepage today. This annual doodle celebrates Earth Day, a holiday that honors the magnificent planet we live on. The artwork in this doodle features several breathtaking images from the Google Earth. Enjoy the world's diverse landscape and features in each letter. The Earth Day 2025 theme is Our Power, Our Planet. It focuses on measures to achieve a triple clean electricity goal by 2030 using renewable energy. The day advocates protection of natural resources such as air, oxygen, soil, ecosystems, wildlife, and human health by harnessing renewable sources of energy. Solar, wind, hydroelectric, geothermal, and tidal energy are in focus to create clean, inexpensive, and ultimate energy for the entire planet. Let's know about Earth Day history. Earth Day Network, which is now known as earthday.org, is credited with stabilizing the day as an initiative to mobilize the environmental movement worldwide to address concerning issues such as climate change, pollution, and deforestation. Earthday.org founders created and organized the very Earth Day on April 22nd, 1970. Since then, Earth Day Network, also known as earthday.org, has been mobilizing over 1 billion people annually on Earth Day and every other day to protect the planet, the website states. The world's first Earth Day was observed in the 1971 on April 22nd when UN Secretary General U Thant held a special ceremony at UN headquarters in New York. Let's know about Earth Day significance. In 1962, US Senator Gallard Lansing lobbied the federal government to observe the Earth Day considering that the planet is at risk. This day aims to make an impact as it demonstrates support for environmental protection through a range of events to educate the masses across the globe. Numerous events, rallies, and campaigns are organized on this day. This year Earth Day marks its 55th anniversary with global activations aimed at mobilizing a billion people worldwide to take transformative action for our planet for a sustainable future. So everyone, save plant and save your lives. Happy Earth Day to everyone. I hope guys you like this information, so please like, share this video, and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Thank you.